How to fix YouTube homepage not showing videos problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the YouTube homepage not showing videos. So now let's get started. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of YouTube application on your mobile device. To verify that, you can go to Play Store. Click on the search bar in the bottom. Type in YouTube. Once you find the application, and if you see an update button over here, tap on it to update it to its latest version and then launch the app and try playing videos on it. The next thing you can do is go to your system settings, scroll down and go to apps. Click on the search bar at the top and then type in YouTube. Once you find it, scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. Clearing the cache will help you remove glitches and bugs within the app. Now come back. Also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then go to battery section and make sure that it is set to unrestricted. After that, go to the permissions section and make sure that you have given all the app permissions such as camera, microphone, photos and video, contact, location, notifications, and phone. If these steps do not work, simply tap and hold the application and try disabling and enable it again. Last but not least, also restart your phone, relaunch the entire system, and then reopen the app and try playing the videos. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.